Welcome to this presentation on the clock angle problem. In this session, we will learn how to find the angle between the hour and minute hands of a clock at any given time. The clock angle problem asks us to calculate the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand for a specific time written as h:mm. This technique is commonly used in aptitude exams and interviews. There are always two possible angles between the hands, and our goal is to determine the smaller angle. Before we apply formulas, let's understand how each hand of the clock moves. The minute hand moves a full 360 degrees in 60 minutes, meaning it travels 6 degrees per minute. The hour hand moves 360 degrees in 12 hours, which is 30 degrees per hour. Additionally, the hour hand continues to move as minutes pass, half a degree per minute. Let's start with the minute hand. Its angle from the 12 o'clock position is calculated by multiplying the number of minutes by 6. So the formula is minute angle equals 6 times m. Next, for the hour hand, its position depends on both the hour and the minutes. The formula is hour angle equals 30 times h plus 0.5 times m. This reflects the fact that the hour hand moves gradually as the minutes increase. Now we find the angle between the two hands. First, compute the absolute difference between the hour hand angle and the minute hand angle. This gives us an initial angle represented by theta. Since clocks form a full cycle of 360 degrees, the larger angle can be found by subtracting theta from 360. We always choose the smaller of the two angles. Let's apply this method to the time 3:30. The minute hand is at 30 minutes, giving an angle of 6 times 30 or 180 degrees. The hour hand is at 3 hours and 30 minutes, giving us an angle of 105 degrees. The difference between them is 75 degrees, so the angle between the hands at 3:30 is 75 degrees. Now consider 12:45. The minute hand is at 45 minutes, giving an angle of 270 degrees. The hour hand calculates to 382.5 degrees. The difference between the two is 112.5 degrees. Thus, the angle between the hands at 12:45 is 112.5 degrees. To summarize, here are the key formulas to remember. Minute angle equals 6 times m. Hour angle equals 30 times h plus 0.5 times m. Find the absolute difference between these two values and then choose the smaller of the two possible angles. With these steps, we can find and solve any clock angle problem quickly and accurately. Thank you for your attention.